So here we go, guys. Our homeschool slash playroom. So when you come in, it's our door, outside the door, I'm sorry, guys. And then when you come in, I'm just gonna go around. I'm gonna start this is our closet door where I house all of our learning materials. And then here I have our step stool where DJ independently turns on the light, and I used to have a sticker reward chart where it's blank but it's filled, so I have to re-put another one on there. So when she completes an assignment, she'll put her own sticker. So that's how I have the step stool there. And then here is just a little setup that I created, a sweet shop setup for her pretend play area. This is not always there. I just created that. And then here we have her kitchen area that I love. You can see Danny's kitchen. And then here I'll keep some snacks, maybe some goldfish or a few crackers. But we're all out. And of course, this is the IKEA kitchen that I did a IKEA hack on, just upgraded it. I'm going to do a tour of just her kitchen area, how I keep everything organized. But right now, I'm just going to show you everything in the room. And then as you go to the next wall, we have our IKEA storage unit, wall storage unit. Got and then here it's just a little table that DJ used for when she's eating her snacks. And this is where she have her screen time. And this is where we do like our tech area. I call it like her little learning cafe, and then like a worksheet. She do some of her homeschooling work on there. But once again, we do homeschooling everywhere in the house. I mean, we spend a lot of time on the floor on our morning board. During our morning board, we spend a lot of time and a lot of activities that requires the floor. And then we have our mirror, and we have her microphone that she got for Christmas, and she loves this area. She loves singing, and I got the mirror for her to love herself and look in the mirror at all times, just to help build her confidence and her learn herself. Like, I love looking at her look in the mirror and play in the mirror. I think it's very important for young girls to have a mirror. And then our reading area, which right now I have it decorated in honor of Black History Month. If you follow me in my stories, you'll see how I created this area. And we have a little, our ABC chart that I got from Michaels. And then we have our library basket. And then here we have our main wall. So here we have our whiteboard, and if you can see, I have created these stickers: letter of the week, number, color, and shape. This is our main focus board. And down here, I have the exact same thing: the number, letter, color, and shape. Because I keep it for DJ. This is the one that we really work on down here, eye level, which is part of Montessori that I follow everything should be at eye level of the child. So guys, if you're like considering and you have a toddler, I will recommend trying to put everything as low as as to their eye level as possible that you are trying to teach them. So, and then here, right over here, we have our puzzle area. This is our puzzle table I got from IKEA. I think, guys, it's just the breakfast tray. And then I got the little containers that holds the puzzle pieces. And I got the back from an old chair, and I just used my silhouette to cut the sticker, the words. And these beautiful curtains, guys, I got off of IKEA. Amazon. I got from Amazon. And then here on this back wall, guys, this is our unit study board. Right now, we really don't have one. We're just celebrating Black History Month. I don't have it filled out, but if you follow me on Instagram, you could go to my highlights and see some of our unit studies, like the solar system, the farm, So then we just have a picture of DJ. This is when I first started DJ's book club, and the inspiration, her photo shoot. And I just got it blew up. And then of course right here we have our hundreds table, hundreds chart. Then we have our map. And then on this area we have our sensory table, which is storage. And then here we have our sensory area. I don't have nothing in it right now, but I love the fact that it's have a cover top, and we do a lot of work on this table too. We do a lot of our activities and a lot of our coloring and drawing. And then here I keep our activity shelf. And then I have a cute little picture, "Don't forget to be awesome" poster that I got from the Dollar Tree. And on this shelf, it holds our map, our globe. And then we have our binder with a lot of our printable activities. And then I rotate the shelf weekly. I try to weekly, but sometimes it may go a couple longer, but it just houses some of her activities that she do and what we're working on. And then the door, I just have a poster. We're working on our Spanish, just introduced her to. And then I'll house our library bag and our book bag. And really fast, guys, I'm going to show you our closet. Not too fancy, but very organized. That this is all of our, I keep all of our learning material in. Okay, up there is probably a little junky. I ain't got that figured out yet. But down here is where I keep everything, and eventually I'm going to get some labels to put on there. But I know what's in them. So here we go, guys. This is DJ's schoolroom. And I have her little rocking chair that she has. It's fun when we go over our board. She sits in that and rocks on it too. And then we also have our hopscotch floor vinyls. So here we go, guys.